Hi, my name is Amber Whitney. I am from Dublin, Ohio. It's in Columbus area. I'm taking this course. Actually, I'm really excited about it because my dad taught conflict management and negotiation for um, OSU and Otterbein in Ohio. So I've read a lot of the um, I don't remember them, but I did read leadership and self-deception. Blah, blah, blah. So it was fun to have this opportunity to have this class again. And I'm taking communications, and my emphasis is strategic organizational communication. So it just fell into place to take this class. I'm interested in learning about how to have conflict without having contention. Um, so my two goals for this course is to learn how to connect with others and help them learn and grow without putting it on them, being an inviter, like a disciple of Christ. And then, like I said, learning how to make sure that contention doesn't come into conflict. How the goals intersect with the course outcomes. Well, I think that's so far in reading the book and learning about conflict management and negotiation. Um, it's about not, I guess, like having not being focused on yourself. And so as you go into conflict without having contention, then that matches up with what we're learning about stepping outside of the box. So I'm excited to learn this semester and hear this take on conflict management and negotiation and how I can apply it to my life. So excited to meet you all.